Hello everyone, I hope you are all well. For today I have prepared for you another stitch, quite airy stitch. I use number 6 size needles, which creates even bigger yarn over, therefore it creates this kind of yarn over effect on the front, and on the back is all the same. And in total all you need to do is one row, so you repeat 2 steps, which is quite simple to do. Even a beginner could do this pattern, no problem. Before we begin, I just let you know for you to, when you cast on, for you to cast on the way you like it, the way you usually do, and then 2 rows you need with front stitches on the right side, and on the wrong side front stitches, I mean knit stitches, yeah. So, and only then you start this stitch, which I'm explaining to you now. So I've got here 18 stitches. It's quite simple to make. The yarn is acrylic yarn, cubicle needles number 6, and yeah, let's begin. So the first loop we never ever knit, and the last loop, the last stitch, we always knit it with a purl stitch. So the first loop we do not knit. Okay, we do yarn over, hold it with a finger like so, then we put this yarn to the front, and we knit 2 loops together. So 2 loops we knitted as a purl stitch, both of them as one purl stitch. So yarn over, hold it, put this yarn to the front, we knit a purl stitch, and then we release it. So after this we do the same again. 2 from 2 purl stitches we make 1 purl stitch, yarn over, from 2 purl stitches we make 1 purl stitch, and this is how we do it until the end of this row. We repeat the same 2 steps. So, and at the end, another from 2 we make 1 purl stitch because it's the last stitch, and second row we knit the same. So we do not knit the first loop, we do yarn over, hold it with a finger, yarn in the front of the needles, of the left needles, we knit 2 purls as 1 purl, yarn over, 2 purls as 1 purl, yarn over, we knit 2 purls as 1 purl, and that's how we knit the second row. And we repeat all over again on the wrong side, on the front side we always knit the same. This particular stitch is very good for jumpers, it's very good for vests, it's very good for hats, for tops, for scarves. Quite transparent, as you can see, but at the same time it's quite strong. It keeps its shape. It does not stretch too much, but it does stretch, as you can see. It's very simple stitch. Anyone could do it. And thank you very much for watching and subscribing. And please like my videos so that they are watched by others that need stitches like these. And see you soon in my next video, where I'll be showing you other new things. Thank you very much for watching.